Hey all, yesterday I got in a review copy for Stallone Rocky Heavyweight Collection 6-disc Blu-ray set. Basically, it's going to be the same as the Rocky Undisputed set that came out a few years ago, except this one includes 3 commentaries that weren't on the previous set, and also includes a new 4K remaster of the original Rocky, and it doesn't have the theatrical trailers for Rocky 2 through 5 on those discs now. But it's not a huge loss if you still have the Undisputed collection. Otherwise, I just want to show you the packaging and artwork. This is the outside slip box. This looks like it's an artwork image from either Rocky 3 or 4. And this case is actually a little slimmer as well compared to the Undisputed collection. And inside now all the disc artwork match. Rocky, Rocky 2, 3, 4, 5, and Rocky Balboa. And also another different thing is it doesn't have a 3-hour bonus disc. Instead, those features are now put onto the first Rocky disc. So I don't know if that's going to have any compression problems or not, fitting it all in onto one disc, but I'll check it out later, and I'll have a review up of just the original Rocky with the new remaster within a couple days. Thanks for watching, and be safe. Take care.